Hi, my name is Brent Miller, and today we're going to talk about replacing the toilet seal underneath the bowl of your toilet. The tools you'll need for this job are a wax ring, which you can get at the local hardware store, and you'll also need a 9/16" wrench, which will remove the bolts that hold your toilet to the floor. And you'll need some type of rag that will clean up the old wax ring before you start. Typically, when you know you need to do this, you need to do it every time that you move your toilet, move your toilet from one place or other, or replace your toilet, or if there's a possibility that you're finding some water in the front of your toilet. Usually doesn't come out in the back. If you find water coming out from in front of your toilet, then this is likely the problem. What we have here, we have a wax ring, and this here is the wax ring when you buy it from the store, and it comes out of this, and you can usually buy these. This one here cost me $2.99 at my local hardware store, and you can put the wax ring, and what it'll do, it'll go upside down. It comes in, and it's really soft when you do this, so you only get one use of it. And then what you'll have to do the first time is peel the old one off. And there will be an old one there, and generally you have to use maybe type of a putty knife or possibly even a butter knife, and preferably one you're not going to use again when you get done. And you'll scrape the old off, and then you'll set this back down on there, and then the commode sits on top of this, and it kind of smashes in, and it forms a seal between your commode and your drain pipe or your floor.